Hey beauties, welcome back to the Creative Contour by Carla podcast. Today we're doing something really different and really unique. We are going to do a little unboxing with our friends from Hightea Skincare. And let's jump in. Hey beauties, I'm Carla, makeup artist, speaker, business owner, and founder of Creative Contour by Carla. I believe we should love wearing makeup should we choose to. In this podcast, I will break down the harmful rhetoric spewed by the beauty industry. Follow along to love yourself, gain confidence, and enjoy a little glam. I have the lovely Marika here of Hightea Skincare, and we're going to do a little unboxing from like this Christmas present sized gift that you sent me. So let's get into it. Marika, tell us a little bit about yourself and your company while I'm opening stuff here.
Business is Hightea Skincare. I am the formulator and owner. And everything I make has the busy woman who's seeing the signs of aging in her skin in mind, but also this is a person that cares what goes in and on her body. And all of my products contain some representation of the green tea plant. So green tea is always in mind, and it's just a beautiful ingredient. It's good for all skin types, all ages, and it just happens to be used for like 4 or 5 thousand years in medicine, skincare, health and wellness, and just general cuisine. So it's a beautiful ingredient, an ancient ingredient, and there's plenty of science behind it now.
Children's
Ah,
at
what
all. So we're doing a
restraint!
live unboxing on the Creative
What
Contour by Carla
restraint!
podcast. So everybody can see the goods. You guys, look at all this stuff. First of all, thank you so much for all this. Where should we start? We're gonna start with the Brighten Caffeinated Eye Dew.
So the caffeinated eye dew, yeah, you see that green color comes from copper,
Okay.
and that extract comes from the malachite stone. It's a pretty cool process. It's a gel. It's completely water-based, chock full of caffeine. And then, of course, we have like cucumber extract, green tea extract, cornflower water. You can use it all around your eye and it tightens and brightens.
Okay. And
So it
it's
really
really
wakes
what
up the eye area. Awesome in the morning. I use it both. I use all my things morning and night. I don't think there's any reason to be fussy about what we use day and night unless you have some sort of special need you're addressing. But I think that's mostly a marketing ploy so that you
okay.
can have different products. But sometimes people want something heavy at night.
Hard agree. I completely understand that.
No oils at all, meaning you can use it all around the eye and just the tiniest little dewdrop goes around both eyes and it lasts like forever.
Reclaim Ultra Rich Hand and Foot Cream.
This is like a little miracle cream. It's super heavy, super rich. It's a different type of cream emulsion. Usually you throw wa oil into water. This one is water into oil. So it comes across as oily forward. It takes a while to absorb. And again, heavy. That's for your like ashy elbows, super dry, hard, crusty feet, like gross stuff.
If I put my hands next to each other, this is the space here with the cream on. Oh, this
Yeah,
is
it's going to
thick.
be
I like
oily
this.
forward for sure.
Let's look at this lovely, oh my God, little sample bag you gave me here. So this is awesome. So I don't, where should I start?
I would say somebody should choose either a face cream or the face oil. So the two serums allow me to sort of customize, and also I don't know about you, but my skin's very seasonal. In the summer, I don't need quite as much extra hydration or maybe extra help, I should say, than I do in the winter. So the Quench water-based serum, only water-based ingredients. We have lots of humectants. Humectants are ingredients that hold water in your skin, so they plump and hydrate. We use a mix of different kinds of humectants so that we can conquer that problem. So we have things like honey, snow mushroom, glycerin, hyaluronic, a low molecular weight hyaluronic acid,
Mhm.
believe propanediols in there. And then there's all these like beautiful ancient extracts, the water, the flower waters again. And yeah, it's super light. It absorbs in quickly. It's got a nice silky feel. You're probably noticing that, like a silicone type feel to it.
Yeah. It's thick.
Yeah.
She's thick. She's a thick serum.
But it's all water-based, so it's gonna go right in. So your
That's
best thing that you want
awesome.
to do is seal that right in with your face cream.
Pump of the face
Oh,
oil
it's just, I
and
love
put
it
it
so
on top. I'm
much.
going to do one little baby drop of that face oil. So I'm going to show
That is
everybody like a little baby drop, and I'm going to put it right on top of that.
sustainably sourced. It's fair trade. And the way they treat the trees and the way they treat the people is good. So
That's what we like to hear.
the specific strain also is the highest in boswellic acid, which is the ingredient that you want in frankincense. The essential oil does not have it. You have to use the resin from the trees. So that gets cooked for 4 hours in jojoba, and then it sits for 8 weeks. It also has oil-based forms of vitamin C, coenzyme Q10, and bakuchiol, again, that retinoid alternative, I should say.
Bakuchiol B3 barrier serum. So I'm going to use that. Could we use it with the face cream? Because those are the two that were in the bag together.
Of course.
Okay, so
Yeah,
okay,
very
there we
lightweight
go.
cream serum. Very
Very
light,
little bit. And I'm going to rub that in, everybody. What I like about this viscosity is it's really, really light. And like
very
we can
light.
see in there. I do wear retinol and I do like retinol, but retinol is very heavy and very strong. And so I myself only wear it once a week. So this Bakuchiol, like I feel like I could use this more than once a week.
The
Would you
benefit to
say
that
that's
is you get to
accurate?
use it twice a day. No peeling,
Twice a day.
no irritation, no redness, and no sun sensitivity. The Luscious Face Cream.
Yeah. I'm gonna put that on top of it.
54 tries to make that puppy.
So that one little pump would probably be enough for the whole face.
Yeah, that's definitely.
Yeah.
Probably even a little neck too. You need
Okay.
still, my stuff goes a long way. Like my bottles, those small bottles last 2, 3 months. Yeah, so you got a
Ooh.
lip scrub, which can also function as a lip mask. It's basically a body butter with a little bamboo powder.
Okay. So
And then,
let's try this out. Give me a little scoop, thank you. I'm gonna
yeah,
use
I want
about that much just to kind of see what we're working with here. Okay. And okay, I
got the
see.
balm.
Yeah. It's got the little guys in it, so it's definitely gonna smooth everything out. Now, should I remove this before I put the satin on?
Yeah, we give it a wipe. It makes for a great base if you're using lip liner or lip stain.
Okay.
I would say if you do lip stains, don't sleep on the lip scrub.
Okay. Make
Like
everything nice
smoothing
and
out the
smooth.
canvas.
Mm-hmm. And we're putting this on here. Wow. I gotta try this on my lips.
So I do say with that, you might on your first application of the day have to put it on 2, 3 times, but then it starts to kind of stay because it's basically treating your lips.
Cleansers. Okay. So first we have the deep cleansing gel balm, and that comes with its own scoop as well. So
Yes.
obviously we're not going to be testing out the
We want to
cleanser
keep our
exactly,
fingers
but we
out
can
of
at least
nat.
show it.
My products are natural, right? My preservatives are natural. They are not super, super strong. We want to like keep our fingers out of them, keep the water out of them. Just so that is the first step in a double cleanse. So you probably know a double cleanse. I don't know if everyone watching does, but when you want to remove makeup, sunscreen, sweat, if you feel like you got really dirty, you use like a oil-based cleanser first. And this
Mhm.
is in a gel balm form. So what do you think of the feel of that?
It feels exactly like my oil cleanser, but it feels nice and thick in a way that I is like very pleasing,
It's
for
like a
lack of a better way
honey
to say this.
texture, but not sticky.
It's not sticky, and
It's
the
silky,
way
like,
it feels, I feel like it would get the job done. Microbiome-friendly daily cream cleanser.
yeah,
So,
juicy
since this is a
cleanse.
cream cleanser, is this good for folks who have drier skin, would you say?
Yes, it's good for all skin. It is pH balanced to match your skin.
Okay.
And it has a super gentle little bit of exfoliant in papaya enzyme.
Okay.
And then it has prebiotics and postbiotics. So we're going to feed your skin as well.
I would say this is a great product for dry and mature skins. From what I'm feeling, I think this would be like those are the best folks who would benefit from this just based on what I'm feeling. So this is really milky. This is truly, yeah, this is definitely a milky cleanser, which let's talk about the Balance Caffeinated Toner Essence. So this is a spray. I'm seeing where I'm gonna spray it like right here on my wrist. Oh, this is nice. Okay. So I'm gonna move that in.
Smells the nuts. It's an essence, it's
Fresh.
a toner, it's a refresher.
Okay.
For that like glass look or you want hyperhydration, just do it in between every step. Like after you wash, spritz it on. After you put the serum on, spritz it on,
Okay.
and then put your face cream or oil.
Okay. Awesome. And
And
then the
just
final
added
one we
layers.
have here is the Oleogel Cleansing Mask.
Yeah. So you use it as a mask on your naked face, and it is also a cleanser. So you're going to put it all around, keeping it away from your eyes because there's lots of peppermint in there. and it's going to exfoliate. We have alpha hydroxy acids, beta hydroxy acids, and papaya enzyme in there. But chemical, like using that papaya enzyme and the lactic acid and the white willow bark extract I use, like that's going to do the job much more gently and better for more aged skin.
Okay. Yeah, because that's, look at that.
And then your
That is
skin's just stupid
moisturizing.
soft afterwards. It's so soft, it feels hydrated, not dried.
I'm gonna wipe it right off and we're gonna see what happens. Still shining, even though I wiped
I
it right
know
off.
it.
That's
I
awesome.
couldn't.
Oh my
I
gosh.
put some white gold
I was
mica in
like, is
there
there
just to
glitter
give
in
it,
this?
it's the glitter in there.
Well, now you've sold me because there's glitter. That's awesome.
My mica is also sustainably sourced in fair trade. There is a specific company. There's a lot of shenanigans with mica.
But these products are really beautiful and they're very moisturizing. And my hands are like they were a little dry before, and now, I mean,
Oh my God,
they're
very
shining bright.
soft. It can be like not everybody wants a fussy skincare routine, right? Like you can say, I never use anything, and I'd be like, take the cream cleanser, take the face oil, done. Just do that.
Hmm.
Just do that. And
Absolutely.
we can get people into it. And then there are people that like they're looking for like a straight up full out routine. They want all the things. We can do that too. And then the other thing I like to tell people is your skincare can take 45 seconds or your skincare can take 10 minutes. You can ritualize that shit, right? Like you
Hmm.
can put that stuff on your face, get your gua sha stone and just start like going away, like sit there, lay on your bed and do it, massage your face. Take your time. Like think of it like a cup of tea. Like no one's ever going to accuse you for being selfish for taking a cup of tea, right? But it is a ritual. It takes a damn minute, and you're going to sit with it and hold it in your hands and smell it and relax for just 5 minutes.
Hmm.
You can do the same thing with your skincare. It's
Right, exactly, right.
intentional
I
is
think it's
huge.
being intentional. It's having that minute to pour into yourself.
Right.
Absolutely.
This was crafted intentionally, and using it intentionally just really completes the cycle. So,
Um, Marika, thank you so much for joining us today. And thank you so much for all of these beautiful products. And thank you everybody for watching. I will see you all in the next episode. Bye.